Okay, so the STAR Students Award is for elementary school students who have a proven record of excellence in math. And the Math Excellence Award is for high school students that have maintained 90% or higher in math at their school. The All-Around Scholar is for students that excel in both math and extracurricular activities such as sports. And the Most Improved Award, it also has a few subcategories such as the Perseverance Award and Excellence Award. But the essence of this award is someone who continues striving for success and just never giving up. And the Rising Star Award is for students that are a bit newer to MathProject, but have quickly learned and adapted to our rigorous study methodology, demonstrating excellent efforts. And so first, we're going to present our STAR students. So our first recipient is Marhama Fawad. Next we have is Amina Samar, Fatima Iqbal. For our next recipient, we have Ayan Shakir for a Shining Star Award. Our recipient for this award is Pietra Satimi, and giving a big round of applause for our elementary school STAR students. Our first recipient is Makayo Agbagbi, Aisul Hamid, Hader Chopdawala, Amira Jahangir. Our recipient for the Most Improved from elementary school is Adele Mitchell, who is receiving the Excellent Effort Award. And let's give a big round of applause for our Most Improved elementary school students. And next we are going to present our elementary school all-around scholars. And these students have excelled in math and also extracurricular activities. Our first recipient is Anaya Samar. Faizan Jalil is Arav Luthra, so Soraya Simmons. Give a big round of applause. Last set of elementary school awards, and it's for the rising stars at MathProject. So while these students haven't been with us for long, they've quickly adapted to our challenging teaching methodology here and are demonstrating consistent efforts. Our first recipient is Jackson Yu, so is Tyler Banks, Elliot Yu, is Suleiman Jahangir. And just join me in giving a big round of applause once again for our elementary school rising stars. We're going to start with the High School Math Excellence Awards. These are students who have demonstrated academic excellence and achieved 90% or above in their high school math. And our first recipient is Iman Lakhani, Ibrahim Zubairi, Usman Javed, Zain Hamid, Zixin Mukhtar, Faisal Das, Omar Lakhani. Our next recipient is for a special subcategory called Enthusiastic Learner. We are awarding this to Ankit Chandna with distinction for a positive and enthusiastic attitude. Our next recipient is Maria Khan. So just join me once again for our high school math excellence recipients. A big round of applause. So next we will be presenting some special awards for our high school students. First, we are presenting Most Improved in High School, which is being awarded to Hania Ahmed. Our second recipient for Most Improved in High School is Abdur Rahman. Next, we have our All-Around Scholar, which is being awarded to Julia Houghton. Our final award for the high school students is the Rising Star Award, which is being awarded to Gurneet. So let's give a big round of applause for all the recipients for the special categories that we have. So thank you all once again, for joining today, and another big congratulations to all of our recipients.
And thank you everyone for joining our celebration and for trusting us with your children's academic journey.